Good morning, first grade. Today for grammar, we are starting to take a look again at possessive nouns. Now, last week we were looking at possessive nouns a little bit, and so we're going to continue looking at them this week. You'll remember that a possessive noun is going to tell who or what has something. A possessive noun that tells about one person or thing is going to end with an apostrophe S. So last week when we were talking about the toy of the dog, we know that that was the dog's toy. Dogs was the possessive noun. Why? Because the toy belonged to the dog. And so dogs with an apostrophe S was the possessive noun. If I'm talking about the boy's ball, I know that the ball belongs to the boy. And I show that with that apostrophe S. Now we're going to be looking at that same exact thing today. So I want you to make sure that you're paying close attention as we go through this today. Because today we're going to do a lot of this together. And as the week goes on, you're going to be doing a little bit more of it on your own so that I know that you're understanding what's going on with possessive nouns. So, part A, it says, circle the possessive noun in each sentence. So, sentence 1 says, the dog's hut is in the back. The dog's hut is in the back. Okay, what is in the back? The hut is in the back. But is that the possessive noun? No. Whose hut is it? The hut belongs to the dog. It belongs to this thing right here, the dog. So what's the possessive noun? The possessive noun is dogs. So you're going to go ahead and circle dogs. The hut belongs to the dog. Okay. Number 2, my mom's hat is red. My mom's hat is red. What is red? The hat. But who does the hat belong to? Mom. So mom's, with the apostrophe S, is the possessive noun. My mom's hat is red. The hat belongs to my mom. The hat belongs to my mom. An ant's hill is big. Who does the hill belong to? Ants. This is an ant because remember we were talking about one thing. That's why it has the apostrophe S. So the hill belongs to the ant. It's the ant's hill. The hill belongs to the ant. Number 4. The pig's pen is a mess. Your turn. The pig's pen is a mess. What is the possessive noun in number 4? Hopefully you have that circled. Now at the bottom. So you had to do this one that I starred. That was yours. Put a star by it so you remember. Hopefully you already have it done though. Now, it says write your own sentence. Use one of the possessive nouns you circled. So dogs, moms, ants, or the one from number 4. We have to write our own sentence. So, because I don't want to pick your sentence for you, and I want to see how great you're doing with your sentences, I am not going to do this for you. I want you to do number 5. Put a star by it. That's your job. Okay? Write your own sentence, and you need to use one of the possessive nouns that you circled. So your choices were dogs, moms, ants, and the one from number 4. This was the one from number 4. One of those choices. Okay? Now remember, it's not the dogs are running. Okay? Possessive means something belongs to them. You could say the dog's bone is small. That would be okay because the bone belongs to the dog, right? but you can't use it and make it plural. Okay, we're talking about possessive. So possessive, something has to belong to it. So something would have to belong to the dog. Something needs to belong to mom. Mom's necklace is sparkly. Ants, something has to belong to the ant. Something has to belong to whatever was for number 4 there that I'm not giving you the answer to because I'm really excited to see you doing that work on your own. Okay, when you're done with this, please, please, please double check that your name is on your paper. And when you're done, please make sure that this is in your Monday folder.